Hello, you're welcome to Edo Tafiame Boss YouTube channel. Please kindly like, leave your comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Hello my people, now welcome back to Edo Tafiame Boss YouTube channel. So this very one, so I've been not even want to do, but I just quickly want just take break too, So may I quick do this one because I just really find it interesting. Something about waiting Beatrice Okpaka talk, waiting she send African German first lady and her husband. Because now waiting me, I really true bear witness to. Because Okpaka say me then go watch that video where they do last. At least where two of them they dance. You say African German first lady just they push her husband come out from camera anyhow. You just they push and come out like say the man not even get it, the guard like saying that she be the man. And that was something come like say feel normal to them. Like now waiting they used to because African German first lady no even know say she they do anything wrong. Why be say that they it be like say that they even they drag to be one be on the camera. And the man no even know say African German first lady even they disrespect her in a way unintentionally. Because he come like saying that was something normal for them, for the household. Come like saying African German first lady be the man. We get the manhood and the other one are the woman. Like saying she even get dominance over the man. And it's supposed me, God create man, make man get dominion over everything in his surrounding. Even the woman. Now natural thing. So what if Beatrice Okpaka talks so? Or some of the time, what if Beatrice Okpaka they talk and don't they agree with so many of them. But this particular one, so I see reason to run. Now make me want quickly just present this thing to my audience. Because I did work, I just quickly take this break. One put on there. Because now really try watch and I wait till I witness. You just a push and come out there. And then see the natural say no matter what if Beatrice Okpaka talk say your husband mother and your husband mother, which is your husband, your mother-in-law, and your mother-in-law, at least with African belief, our culture and traditions, everything. It has nothing to do with like say Western world or anything. We still have our own identity. We don't be no matter what society we might be living in. We have our own identity. We both not take our identity, use and turn to their own. We not take their own. I mean, we might learn from them all, and at the same time, they might also learn so many things from us. But we not be there, they not be us. We not take their identity, they not take our own. So what thing Beatrice Okpaka talk, I really find it interesting. So and then that make me want put this thing out there. And then this not just one take. I know why I did this my intro, so I don't really get time. Like what I talk on the house. I did work. So I just put on like that. Put everything together then. Just make my audience see this video, okay? I thank you now. Bye bye.
That Africa Gamma first lady have been a Gamma. You are very stupid. You know why? As you go give your husband mama paper, your husband mama. Una dey hear me, my people. Husband mama. No matter what, husband, mama with wife, that they quarrel, that they fight, that they do everything. But not be the one where you will go tell your parents, make the conservative juju. Who born you? Who be that your mother when he encourage you? Who be that your family when he encourage you? And now his son, his son when mumu. That boy when his neck be like a snake. Huh? I don't know the day when they watch that one when you say you are in the dance and they watch, they reply somebody, I not get job, I not get document. You not see your husband, you not see your neck. This boy, can you just carry me to look your neck? Look your face where it make bawa. Eh? What kind of shit is this? As I just see the video, I just at the verse. No matter what, you are outsider. Una fit quarrel with the year. Say you go, you now you don't talk to Ayelala server. You don't be juju server now. You understand? Now you want cut off pass. You give your husband mama. Small time now you give Gladys. You don't give Vera. Your husband. Wait, my people wait they watch me so. Husband mama. I bet people don't know the meaning of husband mama. Okay, you say make you die. The husband mama won't kill you. Not today. No be say the woman fight you now, but you never see where husband mama. He go fight you, naked you, beat you, tear your shirts. And now you go still apologize because of the love we get for his son. And now there you born put. My people now see where if you born for somewhere, their children they can't suffer. Eh? Now waiting Jama first lady just do. This thing when they do, now you see they saw the this thing. You don't know say life, nobody know who they fair go. Whether now you fair go, now your husband mama. But that seed where you sow, person they pray may not born bad mother. Useless, may not born bad became me to say useless children. Some people they give birth to. He said, make they give birth to all those kind of children. Where be say, I better not born. I better not born. He said, may you give a chance to a woman when you put for her, may they insult your mama, your papa, your sister, your brother, everywhere. Jama first lady. Or Tuesday, me what they know because anyway, wow na it's a wrong. No wonder you carry Mama Evans. You call the cousin. Oh yes, they say you be Ishan. You are very stupid. Anybody will go say you be Ishan, girl, Ogun will kill that person because we Ishan, we don't behave like that. We don't behave like that. Eh? Husband and wife they quarrel. Husband mama with Ishan. For Ishan when I know, even though na quarrel, he give me. Not be, can't reach extent. If na Ishan, they say your papa be, I don't know, born you, we can't rejected you to your mother. Because I don't know which kind of family, right from the day they pregnant you, they have already, oh my God. So you are so, oh Jesus, I don't know the kind of words I will use for you. For me to, you say no, okay. You say no, but you bring your yelala. Why can't you tell your parents? No. Don't do that. That is my husband, mother. We will so settle. We will fight. We will do this. We will settle. But no be he can't reach juju. And in some way here be like all butter way this. Oh, you see, they tell you may go to follow your mama. Useless son. Who born you? So they do that one. You say you sabi do trouble. How many trouble you want me for this one? How many social media people you will feel fight? Eh? Me no say your nyash would be like that one day. Now you they say Gladys no good. That time one know. Oh God, my people Tuesday. Jama first lady. If you run for Gladys now, you go crazy. You know why? The time when you they call me then, when I want do to gather, what did they call them? When I want do social media, what did they call this? Their performance that time. Oh. They say na media motivation. You remember what I tell you that time? But today, okay, all of them when I advise, no one will not scatter today. All of them when I talk to them, say my sister, face your business. No go they join. You hear? Now you want to say Gladys is not good. Wow, that's the way you just do it. That's the way you just do it. You better go and tell your mama or who you take do mama or you take do papa where you serve your husband. Hey, that's what they see us. That woman as well with your husband. You know why? Because it's that paper we go give for your husband, mama. Okay, I'm not sure saying that woman born this boy. I'm not sure. Person like my mother now. You dey hear me? Person like my mother, my brother wife. That's why the reason I'm my brother wife. You go come say my mama talk to her here. If you let me, my mama call her witch. You go come go give her yellow pepper. Oh, one a good way. A good way. That man decrease. I go make sure I enter whole come outside. Make sure you remain single. That penis where they hungry you. Without your leg where Mary Gariga. You go see and do. You go see and do. You know why that man, my people, it's not good to be a lazy man. It's not good to be a lazy youth in abroad. It's not good to make a lazy youth. Una see why now work for the council. Work me will be woman. Me will be woman. Now work for the council. Then you go see some youths, some men. They bed. Now make you see why Jama First Lady did the shit for that boy head with his mama, with his family, all of them. Because it's not working. He's not a man enough. It's a man of licky. It's a man of bekus. A man of bekus is only they can allow you to insult your family, your husband, your mother-in-law. It's only man that licky lazy. It's only the man can do that. It to say Jama First Lady husband they work. I don't think Jama First Lady go. They go say na juju, not be juju. It's only the boy is lazy. Not saying they do like gay. They do like gay. Now laziness the warrior. Because if Jama First Lady driver where you want go, now you make and say, okay, come as I go to fight your mama, fight Vera, fight this, fight Gladys. Abe, who see the truth for this matter? You not talk the truth. Ogun will kill and God will punish that person. When you go see the truth, where you go come burn her. You know, say when he remember when he carry Evans mama, he carry all the Evans children, Mama Evans children. He come pack and put for media. He put for a YouTube channel. I can't watch this woman. Who are you to go bring another people's family? You can't lie for that woman. I know say you will be disgraced. Hence you disgrace that to be son. They say you your papa Naisha. Now so you two will be disgraced. Disgrace. Now they will take no you. As they take and know you so. As a bad woman. Okay, now when they go do hook up for the woman, you go hook una, you go tell una how to deal with una husband mama. Who they hook una up with for there? Who they hook una? Oh, go ima oni do atio gunugwa bo biena. Since we go ogun keke nugwa. All these kind of people ogun keke ni ma mo gbiyan. Ogun wa mo gbe sise. Me mo na no vessel. Me be Christian bear. If we don't see something like the people where they introduce juju, now we are mogun wa agbiyan, boy. I believe juju not there. Na lazy you too. Emi hear juju money for. Because the husband not dey work. Only waiting he wake up he suck. He wife go to. Okay, the last video where he do last, go watch her. The wife not even allow to they push your husband come off for camera. Go on now there you would know say you are a lazy person like me. Now maybe I dey talk my husband dey near me for camera, I push and come out. A one agreement that has no contagious. Who say make a push her? You go watch when they push and come on API. You say make you all the video, they push the husband. Blah. My people. On Tuesday. Make una come tell me what Jama First Lady do, whether good or bad.
I know why on this video. My sister, my brother, where they man, you way they look me so. Because they hear say some people say, hey, you're go find your wife where you're picking for marriage. Now so they do it for one I come for. Not be people some way go bring wife. Not be go say, I beg go mama, I want go take list of where my wife will come. Yeah. Oh God, is it what to be this one now? Wait, nothing, my dear. You know, say get some kind thing you go here. Some people not a bit talk. They say make Jama First Lady, make Kevin mama go. They look for make go. They look for. Jama First Lady mama. Now so that they do. Now Kevin supposed to say, mama, I beg, I want take list. I beg, show me, help me go find where my wife will come. I don't know I dey Europe. Or make I send my papa. Wait to now woman they pay dowry. I been a man they pay dowry. This thing all of una they talk so yogo like ikweki. Now Kevin mama supposed to go for na been at the papa side. not be the papa of the boy side supposed to go find where their son wife. If Kevin not can give him mama opportunity, say, Mommy, help me go find my mother-in-law. How if mama go just jump up because make it pick me for marry? You go just go different. If you they talk sometime, but I go on. He no la be forget Ishan or unada. Mona command this Ishan beneath for his side. I beg. All these things suppose Mona lessons. Ishan Bini I don't want to. Maybe because na Ishan, maybe because na Bini. This opportunity now unu poko. You can't go to insult Ishan people. You know the craze what Ishan Bini they do for you. This one a character. Not be Ishan or Bini. This character. You hear me? Yesterday I talk they say you be Ishan. You know say yeah, now when they say I'm Ishan, now they sweet me. They beat Ishan way. No. Ishan people wey near me. Ishan people wey near me. They know say now they are the beat pass for this kind useless thing when they do. Who decide? You they see your sister they do bad, you decide that. No. As all of them they talk, puso. Who want insult her before opportunity? Now he give himself now. No. Only the one thing I'm happy. Jama first lady way they judge husband and wife. He judge in-law, he judge husband and wife, he judge okay. He judge also now you dey table so. Oh my God. That's why I say this life. Now me they talk and this life. It be like table. It they turn tomorrow. Even me when they talk so tomorrow if it be my turn. Nobody know. Tomorrow if it be my turn. But one thing we have to take it easy. You get me? Tomorrow on Thursday, you know, the talk where I want to talk put on Tuesday, me to say. Just to advise everybody. Nowhere has not the shake. I go first of all use my own home. Make example that day. My brother will die. I'll take from there, make example. Before they give Jama first lady sense. Because all of us now with the quarrel with them, quarrel with Kevin, quarrel with husband, mama, I never see advice one they give them now. When I hear they call me, Kina, Ki. No, no. If you be mama, really mama, when you don't experience, say your daughter don't marry, your son don't marry. Now they're supposed to talk. We don't, our son don't marry our daughter. We know what we want. When Kevin know they give him mama. We know what we want. Beggy. I believe we will top put. I told him my picking. Why not top put? You forget Jama first lady. I get the first degree of scatter marriage. You know. He get degree, but only I know they scatter in marriage. May God not let him marriage spoil. Anybody will see me in marriage spoil, now you know go better. But he's supposed to make him get sense. The thing when they do nothing, it still did their brain. If they take a not be now they start now. For the root they want. If animal cave voulait la dia. If you are not from the root, start. This case, you know go end. That day, I see all of us first talk put. Jogo. Today gay. Jogo. Una one year gay. No, we don't want year gay. Anybody where they talk, may go find the root of the soul or the source. Oh God. Una never find the root. Una they yo, enough by what kino, why ya two kine. What is the color? They say make Kevin mama go find. Now so that they don't have a family. No wonder. Abi, na Kevin papa side. Now you will go find where their wife will come. From there they will come call the mama. Mommy will come. Where you go? That day when my daughter marry. Now in papa they go meet.
Now when they ready, they come tell me, say, mommy, we want ready see my husband. I say, good. Now so me now as I be now, I go dey find my people. No, now they go gather come. I will go they go gather come. Respect go dey. They wrong, all of them. Husband, mama wrong. Kevi, Abina, Kevi wrong. Jama first lady wrong. All the family wrong. Mama or Jama first lady wrong. Everybody on the family, they are wrong. You know what is called wrong. This time around, we one person we go advise Kevi mama. Because Kevi mama, serious one, he need advice. Which, even though you give her advice now, YouTube, let her hear the advice because they need money. They need that money for YouTube. Even the YouTube outside. Jama first lady now, you need advice. But if you advise and go, yeah, YouTube money. And your husband, Kevin, the lazy youth, now go call her. That one, too. You need advice. If you tell her, go, yeah. Why? Because of YouTube. The other one say that they jealous YouTube. Oh, mama. Now that one be issue now. Jealous YouTube. Jealous jealous this. Now that one they talk now. Now be topic where they ground. Oh. Hey, we dey view all of now. When we view finish, we'll come do our own. Good evening, sweetie. Hey, all of now they talk good. Now only one the more talk. One just is war. Me I not understand. One is war. One they use offense when Jama first lady do. They beat her. I can yo. Like me now they tell her what make me the beat her way now. See, you see, you carry people matter marriage, husband and wife, in-law, husband. You put her for social media all the children. See now your tongue. Now make me the same one they do small. See now your tongue. Now your husband the way you do that boy mama. Where they tally. Now it don't reach your tongue. Now your husband mama, your husband, you and your own mama. He's a low boy. And after increasement. People, we need to get sense. If una will be viewer, una not get sense now. I'm at work. You not work today now. You are enjoying yourself. You understand? So, my people, all these kids more take them easy. On Tuesday, they come. When you they talk, they make parable join now. Do you think when you fair pay, use and advise them? Wait till you don't see for life, take and advise them. Now people where I would say they put better opinion. When I just the odd laws, they just shut up and that. Not only I mean Yahweh I just say the talk sense for them. The text sense. Okay, I just the view now up and down. One say una go call Ogun for them. The Ogun will go back to them. Now lie. You know why? When Jama first lady they do people where they call in. Now turn by turn. Good night. I will call you. The people when Jama first lady are already. When they judge people, Evans do this, Enoch do this. Evans. In English, born a woman that day. I'll go find the video. They insult Evans' mama like normal business. It's a low boy. In a way, they have a mini. He said, of settlement. But today, that they cause Ogun for you, that they tell the house that they can go back to the like fire. All this one we supposed to do get sense. May all of us more use and get sense. and we use our get sense. You take advice from all this thing since January to this month. If you not take sense, if you not get advice inside, you are your own. If it be your tongue when they look me so, nobody knows tomorrow. If it be said, may God forbid, your tongue to the conqueror and give we way the judge. Well, I call her valiant anyway. No? Ah. Mm-hmm. Yo, it's a mirrors. All of them one by one. Oh. Where are you going? Office. I bet my people. We go they talk and small. Make Jamal first lady take heart. Make it with your husband sit down reason. They never reason. If na me be Jamal first lady, I go there. Also then when oh God. You know, he suppose not worry on Tuesday. So husband and wife, that they sit down. You dey hear me? Husband and wife they sit down. When you sit down, you and your husband will talk. They need peace. Peace go reign at last. Not be say Jama first lady they quarrel with your husband mama. Your mama no make her quick quiet first. It not good though. Now since they teach all of us so now bye now work I day. I must talk now a day. With that all of them, no one will know the talk. Mother-in-law to talk. Jama first lady talk. A Kevi o no ma a Kevi na broom I want to beat Kevi because when all of them say juju dey face broom now go take beat am make I remove that juju for your body. Yeah. As soon as I say na juju dey worry because I not say like person wey juju dey worry. Na sense he no get. It be like picking when they born 7 months they get sense now. Maybe na 5 months they take born. I don't understand. Because brain not too much GD to lead the woman. Brain not there to lead home. A man when stand when it be lead home. The home now can't be like this so they will come enter social media. No. Man when not he not capacity. Italian say capacita. He not get that. Good evening to God. You understand? A real man, they settle in home. See, may I tell you now, not be by grow be real man. No. Not be any man at all, whether na 50 or 60. In with the woman they quarrel for his outside that the year go the judge up and that. That one not be real man, a stupid man. You know, stupid man. If you know if you don't have it by. All of them to talk, Jerry. They be like parrots. They to talk. Now make any opinion when we like, we'll put inside. Now they call us. Oh, Kakabo. My sister. Oh, man, sweet. Hey, see your sweet sister. Not like this. Good evening, no. That's another dimension. You don't do another dimension. No mention your name. Now they hear me, my people. We more learn from here and take sense from it. You know, all of them talk too much. I never see people where they give you mama the better advice or this one advice. All of them go reach Jama first lady mama when they Nigeria. Whenever come abroad, he need advice. And now your husband mama be evil. Come out there. How do you know that? They go collect your picking for your and make they happy. Don't talk like that too. Don't say you be my personal person. They go collect your son for your and make they happy. Why do you talk like that?